How to fix Nvidia app not loading. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Nvidia app not loading. So first, go ahead and restart your PC. So click on Windows Start menu on your PC and then select this power button and click on Restart. So a simple reboot can clear temporary glitches, preventing the app from launching. Second is to run as administrator. So go ahead and look for the NVIDIA app and then right click on it, and then you'll find this option to run as administrator. This bypasses permission issues that may block startup. Third is to reinstall the NVIDIA app. So uninstall the NVIDIA app from the control panel and then download the latest version from NVIDIA's official site. Reinstalling often resolves corrupted installation files. Third is to update GPU drivers. So outdated or corrupted drivers can prevent the app from loading. Click on when X on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then on the Device Manager, go ahead and look for Display Adapters. And then under Display Adapters, go ahead and click on NVIDIA GPU. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Or use the NVIDIA driver download page for the latest version. And that is how you can basically fix NVIDIA app not loading.